What the heck? It's a TCEK. What the heck is a TCEK? The TCEK is the world's best swiveling camp chair. So what's so great about the TCEK? All right, we've gone back in time. Let's unbox this thing. Unboxing complete. This is actually the best camp chair I've ever owned. The wide bucket seat is super comfortable and the height is tall enough to be practical. Unlike the lower camp chairs, which are a little ergonomically deficient when it comes to sitting at a normal-sized table, this is an ergonomic nightmare. The TCEK is actually tall enough where I can comfortably work at the computer, which is not actually on right now, and have my meals and coffee at a sensible height. This coffee is empty! Those ultralight low chairs come in pieces and you have to put them together from the ground up every time. This is how it's supposed to go, right? This cheap camp chair that came from the big box store with one wall, you know, the one with one wall, and that wall is on the left, was already coming apart at the seams after just a couple of uses, and its drink holder does not fit a 1-liter water bottle. The TCEK swivel chair is small enough and light enough to fit inside this tiny carrying pouch, but is all one piece and sets up easily. And its drink holder holds a 1-liter bottle. And just look at this high-quality hardware and fabric. This thing is built to last. This one doesn't swivel. This one doesn't swivel. This one can swing, but it doesn't swivel. This one looks comfy and a little disgusting, but I wouldn't try to swivel it. This one swivels. Proper. So once you get a TCEK, what can you do with your old camp chairs? That is an environmental disaster. I am going to clean that up and leave no trace. Brothers and sisters, we invite you to come swivel with us. TCEK, swivel smart, camp smart. TCEK, the 360 swivel chair for anywhere. TCEK, sitting comfortably, anywhere, anytime. And the TCEK swivel chair is cat approved. Oh yeah. Like this chair? Check the link in the description for a discount. This video was filmed at Bombay Beach on the shores of the Salton Sea in Southern California.